If you have skinny arms, a flat chest, but a soft, stubborn belly, stop running on the treadmill. Seriously, what if I told you that doing endless cardio is actually making you look worse? Millions of guys look in the mirror, grab their belly fat, and think, I just need to lose 10 more pounds. So they starve themselves. They go for hour-long runs, and they step on the scale every single morning, praying the numbers go down. And sure, the scale does go down, but when you look in the mirror, you still have the belly. You just became a smaller, weaker version of your skinny, fat self. Here is the brutal truth that no one tells you. When you do hours of cardio while eating like a bird, your body panics. It holds onto your belly fat for survival, and instead, it burns your muscle for energy. That is exactly why your arms are shrinking, but your love handles are staying. You don't have a weight loss problem. You have a lack of muscle problem. It is time to escape the cardio matrix. Muscle is the only thing that will give you that aesthetic, masculine V-taper. And the best part? Muscle is metabolically active. This means the more muscle you build, the more fat your body naturally burns, even when you are just sitting on the couch playing video games. So instead of jogging for 45 minutes, spend those 45 minutes building a foundation at home. You only need 3 main movements, but you have to do them right. Number 1, push-ups for your chest and shoulders. But stop doing those fast half reps. Go all the way down until your chest touches the floor and push all the way up. If you can't do a regular push-up yet, that is completely fine. Do incline push-ups with your hands on a chair or a bed to build your base strength. Number 2, pull-ups or bodyweight rows for a wide back. A wide back gives you that V shape, which makes your waist look smaller. Now, if you can't do a pull-up, don't panic. Grab a sturdy broomstick across 2 chairs or go under a heavy table and do inverted rows. Pull your chest up to the bar and squeeze your back muscles. Number 3, squats for your legs. Having solid legs boosts your natural testosterone. Keep your chest up, push your knees out, and squat deep, like you were sitting in an invisible chair. Control the movement. Don't just bounce up and down. But what about your diet? This is where 90% of guys fail. Stop crash dieting. If you are skinny fat, you should not be in a massive caloric deficit. Eat exactly at your maintenance calories, but completely change what is on your plate. Follow the 80-20 rule we talked about on this channel. But most importantly, aim for about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight. What does that look like? Instead of eating cereal and toast for breakfast, eat 3 to 4 whole eggs. Instead of a huge plate of pasta for dinner, eat a large piece of chicken breast or lean beef with a side of veggies. Protein is the building block that will force your body to build muscle while simultaneously melting off that stubborn belly fat. Oh, and one more thing. Stop drinking your calories. Cut out the sugary sodas and fruit juices. Drink water. Fixing skinny fat takes time. It is not a 30-day magic trick. Stop obsessing over the scale. This is about progressive overload. Focus on doing 1 more push-up than you did last week. Focus on eating your protein. And get your 8 hours of sleep, because lack of sleep stores belly fat. Give it 3 months of consistency, and you won't even recognize the guy in the mirror. Stop running. Start building. Hit that subscribe button for real, no BS fitness, and let's get to work.